Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to start problems on series solution. So first problem is solve using series solution d2y by dx square plus x square y is equal to 0. So we have to start solution of this differential equation. We know that differential equation, that is p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x into y equal to 0. So how we solve solution of such type of linear differential equation with variable coefficient, that already explained in last video. So if we compare this with this, then here p0 of x is equal to 1. So using this we can write p0 of 0 is also 1, means not equal to 0, means if p0 of 0 is not equal to 0, then we can say that x equal to 0 is ordinary point of given differential equation, means ordinary point of equation 1 say. And if x equal to 0 is ordinary point, then we have to take solution of the differential equation is y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak x raised to k. Now for solving this differential equation, what we want, if we assume, suppose when we take y is equal to summation of ak x raised to k, this solution, if x equal to 0 is ordinary point of equation 1. Now if y equal to summation of ak x raised to k is the solution of equation 1, then for solving this given linear differential equation, we want d2y by dx square. So from y find dy by dx and d2y by dx square. So how we write here dy by dx, we have to take derivative of this is equal to summation of k varies from, here if we take dy by dx, then write k varies from 1 to infinity, ak constant a, and derivative of x raised to k is k into x raised to k minus 1. Now why we start here k from 1 to infinity, because if we take k equal to 0 and if we expand this series, then we get power of x is negative. So in dy by dx start k from 1. Again if we take derivative here, then d2y by dx square is equal to summation of k starts from 2 in d2y by dx square, take k from 2 to infinity, ak keep as it is, and derivative of this k is also constant. Derivative of x raised to k minus 1 is k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2. Therefore given differential equation becomes, so in given differential equation d2y by dx square plus x square y equal to 0. So in that differential equation put these values. So therefore summation of k varies from 2 to infinity, ak k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2. So this is the value of d2y by dx square plus x square into y. Now what is y? Y, value of y is summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to k equal to 0. So this is the given linear differential equation. Now we have to find solution of this. So in first, or we will write here once more step, that is summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2, and plus if we multiply this x square inside series, then this series becomes summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak x square into x raised to k is x raised to k plus 2 equal to 0, means here base same, take addition of power. Now here k varies from 2 to infinity, here k varies from 0 to infinity. So we want, for recurrence relation, we want power of xk. So make the power of xk in both series. So in first series put, so when we get here x to the power k, if we put k is equal to suppose m plus 2. Okay, if we put k equal to m plus 2 here, then we will get x to the power m, x to the power k or x to the power m. And in second series if we put k is equal to m minus 2, then these two to get cancelled, we will get here x to the power m. And therefore this summation becomes, now here m starts from k equal to 2. For k equal to 2, what is the value of m? If you put here k equal to 2, these two get cancelled, so m equal to 0 means m 0 से start हो रहा है. So m varies from 0 to infinity. Here a k is m plus 2, so a m plus 2 k, that is m plus 2. If you put here k equal to m plus 2 minus 1, that is m plus 1 into x to the power m plus 2 minus 2, that is m, plus same here summation of k equal to 0a. Now if you put here k equal to 0, then you will get m equal to 2. तो यहाँ पर m start होगा 2 से, so m varies from 2 to infinity. ak means am minus 2, x to the power k equal to m minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, m equal to 0. Now here m start हो रहा है 0 से and here m start हो रहा है 2 से. So we have to make this same, means if we expand this series for m equal to 0 and 1, then we can write here summation of m varies from 2 to infinity. So for m equal to 0, this can be written as a2, means a0 plus 2, that is a2, here 0, that is 2 into 1, and x to the power 0 is 1, plus for m equal to 1, this is a3, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 2 is 2 into x, and plus summation of for m equal to 2 to infinity, write this as it is am plus 2 m plus 2 into m plus 1 x to the power m, and plus second series write as it is summation of m varies from 2 to infinity am minus 2 x to the power m equal to 0. Now observe this carefully. If we equate coefficient of x to the power m and constant term from LHS and RHS, or we can combine these two series as it is. Here constant term is 2a2, in RHS 0a, so 2a2 equal to 0 means the value of a2 is 0 from this. Then equate the coefficient of x. In LHS coefficient of x is 3 into 2 6, that is 6a3. In RHS x is not there, so equate with 0, so this implies a3 equal to 0. Then we have to equate the coefficient of x raised to m. Now we have to equate the coefficient of x raised to m. So these are the two series. Here same summation of m varies from 2 to infinity. If we combine this series and if we take x to the power m common, then we will get this term plus this. So how we write this? M plus 2 into m plus 1 into am plus 2, that is m plus 2 into m plus 1 into am plus 2 plus am minus 2 plus am minus 2, equate this with 0, because in RHS again x to the power m is missing. So using this we have to find recurrence relation. Now recurrence relation means this is m plus 2 m plus 1 into am plus 2 is equal to minus time am minus 2, and therefore am plus 2 is equal to minus am minus 2 upon m plus 2 into m plus 1. So this is the recurrence relation of given linear differential equation. Now in this relation we already find here a2 and a3. So now we want a4, a5, a6. So for that we have to put here m equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So if we put m is equal to 2 here, then we will get a4, 2 plus 2, 4. a4 is equal to minus a0. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 plus 2 is 4 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is equal to minus a0 by 12. Then if we put m equal to 3, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So a5 is equal to minus this 3 minus 2 is 1 minus a1 upon 3 plus 2 in 5, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is equal to minus a1 by 20. Then if you put m equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So what is the value of a6? a6 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 is 2, a2 upon 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, but what is the value of a2? a2 is 0. So if you put here a2 0, then we will get a6 is also 0. Now we have to put all these values in solution. Which solution जो हमने assume किया था y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to k. ये solution लिया था हमने पहले. If we expand this series for k equal to 0 to infinity, then how we write here a0 first plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. Okay, so this is the expansion of this power series. Now in this power series we have to keep a0 and a1 as it is, and your remaining constant a in terms of a0 and a1 put all constant here. So a0 plus a1x plus a2 is 0 plus a3 is also 0, next constant plus a4 आएगा. a4 is minus a0 upon 2 into x to the power 4 plus next one is a5 is minus a1 upon 20 into x to the power 5 plus next one is a6, that is 0. So after simplification this, if you observe this here a0 present here a0, so we can take common. If you take a0 common here, 1 minus x raised to 4 by 12 plus so on into a0 plus same from this a1x and this a1, we can take a1 common. And if you take a1 common here, x minus x to the power 5 upon 20 into a1 plus so on. So this is the required solution of given linear differential equation with variable coefficients. So what is our first step? How we solve such type of problems? First we have to check ordinary point. If x equal to 0 is ordinary point, then assume y equal to summation of ak x raised to k is the solution of given linear differential equation. And जो differential equation में term होगी y dy by dx dy by dx square, from this y find that terms and put in given differential equation, and after that try to find recurrence relation, and for recurrence relation make coefficient of x to the power m equate with 0. We will get recurrence relation, and from that recurrence relation find constants a3, a4, a5, a6 and so on in terms of a0 and a1, and put that constant in solution y is equal to summation of ak x raised to k, and then take a0 and a1 common. So this solution in the form of a0 phi 1 of x plus a1 psi of x.